All right, I think we are on, and it's a privilege once again to be having you guys onboarded on the Canva Women Design. So I would just like to get straight to the point where I discussed about briefly about the curriculum and what we stand to achieve with this course and how the content will be delivered. Yeah, Moye, sorry, you raise up your hand. You have something to say. Kindly raise your hand before I start the class info. Okay, Grace, you raise up your hand. You can unmute and talk. Okay, I guess they are raising up of hand. It was a mistake. So let me just go ahead with the next session. So I want to ask this question, maybe a kind of a quick poll to, yeah, maybe a kind of a quick poll to gather some of your knowledge about what you have done in the past with design. So yeah, I will quickly run the poll now. So the question is, have you used Canva before? Yeah, don't worry. It will be a poll. Don't worry. I will share the poll right now. Okay. Okay. A lot of people are picking. Okay. I currently have 19 votes. Okay. People are voting. Okay. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay, thank you. I would end the poll in the next 1 minute. I think I get a clarity of some of the things, and it totally makes sense. The poll will pop up for you to answer the question. So it's not. Okay. For my next poll now, it will pop up now. So you guys can answer and it will give me a guideline on some of the things we'll be doing. Okay. So let's go again. I run another poll. I'm going to end the first question, which is, have you used Canva before? And the second one, which is, when last did you design with any tools? It could be Canva, it could be anything. When last did you design using any tools? So for the first polls, the usage of Canva got 48 votes, while the no is just 9. So it gives me a good impression of what you have done with Canva. So I think as we move along with the course, my next thing to observe will be what you have done with Canva and why you are taking this course. So it will be what we will discuss together this evening. And while I tell you the uniqueness about Canva, I would also show you why we need to create a free account to get things started. Okay, yeah, it makes sense. Okay, wow. When last did you design with any tools? Somebody said, yeah, no, non-peak, I hate design. Okay, I was thinking, I intentionally put that at first. I design daily, I design, but not frequent. It has been a, it has been a while. Wow. Okay, thank you. The pool will give us a good insight into why and how the curriculum will best work for you. Okay, Okay, yeah, Khadija Omashalewa said you can't hear me clearly. Please, maybe you should check your mic. My network is audible. If you can't hear me clearly, please kindly signify using the comments box. Can anyone hear me? Am I audible enough?
Yes, we can hear you.
All right, thank you so much. We are currently running a poll, so I'm not talking too much. I'm trying to take some data so that I can uh, get the curriculum across, and if it really works, then fine, it makes sense. Then we move with it. So the curriculum, it's something that will be tailored based on what response you give us so that we can know how to adjust it while we move ahead. Okay, thank you. My voice just got louder. Okay, I will try to speak louder so that you guys can hear me clearly. Thanks for the feedback. So this is the last poll, and yeah, let's see how it goes. Are you a student or a business owner? Okay. Um, yeah, based on the recent poll, I hate design with 1 vote. Somebody said, I hate design. Does the person make a mistake or what? Okay. I would like to take insights from the person that made mention of I hate design. I think I'm interested in that person. Somebody said I design daily. Those people that said I design daily are 11 votes, while I design but not frequent are just 25 votes. And it has been a while are just 28 votes. So the total inputs are 65 votes. So it has been a while takes larger numbers than I design but not frequent. I design daily should be a pro, and I'm looking forward to meet those set of people. So yeah, the next poll that is currently live is: Are you a student or a business owner? We have the largest vote to be um, yeah, we have the largest pool to be I'm a student, so we have a lot of students right now, and an entrepreneur carries 12 votes, while I'm just myself carries 7 votes. So the contents, okay, some people are using the comment box. Well, okay, so thank you everyone for that. It's a quick one. We would always have it regularly. It's a poll that will enhance us to learn very well. So to be candid, cover design is not hard, or anything design is not hard. Design is just like an art of illustration, like an art of explaining or displaying your interest. It could be through text, it could be through color, or the combination of both, just for the purpose of explaining a concept. So, yeah, please kindly do something with your mic, Ibokon Oloyede, because I'm speaking audibly right now. So the curriculum as a whole, I think so the first thing you would do based on the curriculum is understanding of design, which is one of the critical components of design. So under that, you will do introduction to graphics design, where the instructor would introduce you to various design concepts. It is true that lesson you will use to understand the basic elements, the principles, and the fundamentals of design. Then the lesson breakdown will be in under it. You will need to learn a bit of line and shape coupled together with space. Then you will learn a color. You need to understand color, then texture and typography, something like a font. Then the alignment to check and balance, and the rhythm, proximity, contrast, and simplicity. So that is what you will learn under while you're trying to understand the basic elements and the fundamentals of design. So your task under that section will be to check out 5 different designs and note the errors where what could be done better. So the next phase of this course will be Introduction to Canva, which is something that would be done in the next class. Introducing the mobile software app for the graphics design. So in that course, you will install Canva. You will need to navigate around to check some of the things that could be done on a Canva node. So the end task of that session would be everybody needs to install the Canva design or the Canva app. It could be on your mobile app or it could be on your laptop. But on your laptop, it would be good if you just log into your app using the canva.com. Makes sense? The next thing straight away after introducing you to Canva will be digital design. And under digital design, you learn how to create the first graphics design project, sourcing image from upsplash.com and removing backgrounds from remove.bg and checking some crazy design on Behance for implementation. So everything will be strictly with your group, like you'll be doing everything in line with your badges, both the Apple, the Google badge, and the, yeah.
Hello, we can't hear you again, please.
Okay, sorry, I muted myself. Somebody mute me. Yeah, can you hear me clearly now?
Yes, yes, please.
So yeah, under that, you will learn the flyer, logo design, wedding invitation, and some other things, particularly the infographic design sector. So that is what you will learn in that area. Then we tailored it down to a product. So you will design a product flyer for a yogurt brand. Then you will design a flyer for Ingressive for Good. And you will also design a classic wedding invitation, a modern one. You will need to learn about print your design immediately after the digital design class. You will learn the designing for prints and introduction to mockups. So where during that time you will get to be introduced, you will be introduced to smartmockups.com, where you can put your design mockups. Then you will design a business card for a branding concept, a book cover, and a product package as a whole. Your assignment or project would be design a business card and mockup. Then you will design a book cover and mockup, design a sticker and homemade juice and mockup. In addition to that, you would need to pick a particular brand and do a kind of a concept design for you, for yourself, or for any brand. Then, another most important thing that you would need to do as far as this course is concerned is a motion design. Motion design enhances and makes it easier for you to communicate your idea in a more realistic format, so that you can communicate your idea better to a layman. So under that section, you will learn how to do a video design in Canva. You will do a promotional video for yourself or for any brand of your choice. Then the assignment or the project you will be doing in that will be design a video ad for 1,000 women in Canva design, which will be a 60 seconds approximately. Yeah, sure. You will get the content version of this. Yeah, it will be sent to your email. So I'm just explaining what is inside the curriculum and how the content will be delivered. So lastly, some finishing touches after the learn all these components, the line, the elements, the portfolio building, and some other things. You will need to learn how to package your design, adding some finishing touches, and how to advance your skill in graphics design, how to develop your creative, imaginative, where you'll be doing a kind of a UX part, user experience part, a bit of it. So you would also be getting inspiration and imitating experts like Pinterest or Google. So based on time, it's part of our plan. And I believe with your support, we should be able to enhance or do this. So you can find inspiration for an event flyer on Pinterest, or you can recreate and share original and based on your own recreation. So for you as your parts, in summary, this is what you'll be doing. You will need to learn introduction to graphics design, introduction to Canva, how to design a flyer, logo, and wedding invitation design, and some other designs based on your instructor prescription, a business card, book cover, product package, and intro to mockups, video design, putting together your portfolio presentation design, advancing your skills, and getting inspiration. So after the course, you will need to go for a day soft skills training before you can do your graduation. So any question from different party? Any question so far? Yeah, I can hear me, Toby. I'm speaking audibly enough. Can anyone hear me clearly?
Yes.
Yes, I can hear you clearly.
Yes, we can
All
hear
right,
you.
thank you. So for each and every courses, okay, somebody is asking, are we going to use Canva for the UX design? No. No, UX is just like a user experience. It's a theoretical part of design on how people feel about your design. So how long will the course last? The course will last for 14 days. So that is 2 weeks. No class on Saturday, and I don't think there is class on Sunday. So Sunday and Monday is a free day. The soft skill is virtual. Everything we are doing is virtual. There is no physical class. Yeah, based on the recommendation of the team, all batches will be learning together, but they will be getting projects in different batches. Different batches will be getting their project differently. Yeah, it's not just weekly assignment, it is even daily assignments. Do we get to have weekly assignments? No, you get daily assignments immediately after your class. So Monday and Tuesday is for practical class, Wednesday is for project review, Thursday is for another class, then Friday is for project review and presentation. You are not downloading any app on Canva on your laptop. Rather, you use online. So I will do a quick opening up. So the action plan of this course is for you to set up accounts and see what you can do to get started. Yes, the assignment will be given based on the classes. So thank you, everyone. I'm done with the curriculum review. And yeah, 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. daily, but it depends on the kind of exercise that we do that will determine if the 6 p.m. would be extended to maybe 7:30 or so. Yeah,
Good
it's
evening.
likely you have different facilitator.
Good evening.
Yeah, good evening.
Please, I wanted to ask if we had different links for different groups, because as it is, everybody is on one group and on Telegram. This is to avoid confusion. So Apple Batch will not go and pick up assignments for Google Batch and Co.
No,
So will there be
no.
segregation?
Moving forward, every information will be shared in batches, according to batches. Let's say, for instance, there is a project for Apple. You see your project description on the Apple group, and if there is a project for Google, you will see your project description in the Google group. So the reason why we're having it together like this is for us to be able to get some tasks done within some couple of time, and at the same time we can move on with some other activities from our own part.
Okay, thank you very much.
Yeah, you're welcome. You've not, somebody said, are we going to have an assignment tonight? You've not done anything. So the assignment will be to have some kind of confirmation on whether you have installed the Canva or not. So now, I would invite Zainab to say something about the class structure and some of the expectation. Hi, Zainab.
Hi, good evening, everyone.
Yeah, good evening.
It's nice to be here. I'm seeing just 100 people in class as it is right now. I think we are expecting close to 1,000 people. Is that right, Kamal?
Yes, 1,000 people.
Yeah.
Okay, so just for information's sake, for subsequent classes, like the number of people that is going to be attending the class is large. So it's better if you arrive class very early to avoid disturbing or distracting the instructor with your going in and coming out and asking to join. I hope you get. So please, when class is supposed to start by 6 p.m., so everybody should endeavor to join the class already by maybe 5:50, between 5:50 and 6 p.m. So by 6 p.m., once it's 6:01, you may not be allowed to enter the class again, so as not to distract whoever is teaching you. And then for assignments, it's better if everyone gets their assignments ready before class. And then it's better if you also work if you work quickly, so that at least maybe if you're asked to drop your assignments, maybe in class or for review, at least if there is time, the instructor should be able to review maybe 1 or 2 designs, say one and 3 designs for each class. So you should try to at least get your design noticed by the instructor, maybe at least once throughout the training period. And then also make sure that you work on whatever is taught in class, because design is something that is learned by practicing. I hope you understand that. It's not something that, okay, I've learned it today and let me just leave it there. Or maybe you missed class for any reason, and then you just have the video there, you don't watch it. Or maybe you watch the video but you don't practice what you have watched. You're not going to get the results that you want. We are not magicians here. I hope there's nobody that thinks that, okay, because I've joined this just because I've gotten into this program, I'll automatically become a designer. It doesn't work that way. You have to work towards it. And the only way to become a very good designer is by practicing. You design and design and design and design all over again. That is the way to become a designer. I hope that we are all going to come out of this training with becoming better versions of ourselves and achieving what we have set out to achieve. Thank you.
Thank you, Zainab. That is Zainab, our communication lead and one of the instructors for this program. Yeah, it's so nice to have you, Zainab. So, like she rightly said, I won't like to repeat it, and I say that every one of us, we will definitely comport ourselves. So please, for those raising up hands, please, from Grace. Yeah, Grace, you can go on. Okay, Bukun, you raise up your hand. Did you want to ask a question or you want to say something? Evie, did you raise up your hand? It was a mistake.
Oh, I've already spoken and you addressed my concern.
Okay.
Yes, thank you.
Okay. Okay. What of Ada? Ada Onyema?
Good evening. Good evening, sir. Good evening,
Good,
Zainab.
good evening.
Please, I want to
Yeah.
make an appeal from what Zainab said about not letting anybody in after 6 o'clock. Like for example, today now I couldn't hear you for a while, so I had to log out and try to log in again like several times before I could hear you. So I want to plead if that rule can be relaxed a little bit because we have a lot of network issues here. If rain is falling, it disrupts the network sometimes. So if the rule can be a little bit relaxed, that's what I want to ask.
Zainab?
Yes, to answer that question, actually, the rule will not be relaxed because we have to be very, very disciplined. And because we are dealing with a large number of people, what pays both the instructors and the learners is that everybody should keep to time. If for any reason you left the class, maybe due to network or something, if you have joined before, the way Google Meet works, if you have joined before, when you are joining the second time, if it was the link that kicked you out, you will not need to ask to join again. I mean, it's not like you left purposely. Maybe the network kicked you out and then you just return back. You won't have to ask to join. And then even if you have to ask to join and you are not allowed in, you will always have access to the recording. If the instructor, you can imagine, maybe within 5 minutes, the instructor has to grant access to maybe about 50 people due to the large number of the class. And that continues to the end of the class. You can imagine how much of a distraction that will be for the instructor, and then it's going to affect the quality of whatever is learned in class. Since you'll be having access to the recording of the class, If by any chance you do not meet up with the time, I think you should just wait for the recording and just let the live class be. Because at least in class, there will be at least maybe 80 people in class. At least. They'll be able to join the class to time if we keep to time. I hope you find it easy, and I hope may the network be on your side.
Amen. No, thank you, ma.
Okay, all right, thank you, Zainab. I think that clarifies a lot of people's thoughts. So there is a recording, but it's advantageous for those people who are currently online to relate with the instructor. So imagine you interacting with recording. It's just as cool as you going to the YouTube to get this course done. So yeah, very quick because of our time. We won't be chance to go through a lot of things, but I would show you how just a glimpse of how this thing will work. So I'll be presenting my screen now. So you guys can let me know when you see my screen. Oh, I'm having difficulty sharing my screen. Okay, don't think I can share my screen today. Okay, I'm sorry. I would need to fix that later. My computer is not allowing me to share screen because of privacy right now. But yeah, I will just instruct you to do some of these things, and I want to know those who have done it before. Okay, I will try and figure it out later. So how many of you have downloaded the Canva, or how many people have signed up for the Canva? Yeah, go to canva.com, wherever you are. So the instructor would instruct you to do some things, and he will let you know what you need to get prepared for. So this is canva.com. Immediately you enter canva.com. The next thing you're supposed to do is, yeah, let me try and join my mobile. Hold on, please. I want to try and join with my mobile. Okay. If you are using mobile, you just need to download Canva mobile. Just go to Play Store or Apple Store to search for Canva. If you have done that, let me know using the comments. You can use the app, like I said, but this course, for the purpose of the course, it will be used majorly on screen, like on a PC. So, but okay, let me make it simple for you. Assuming I'm trying to access my Canva from this phone, let me assign a co-host to myself, to my mobile, so that you guys can quickly join. I have like 2 minutes to do that. Okay, can you see my screen now?
Yes.
Yes. Yes, we can.
Okay, awesome. So I go directly to Chrome. I open my Chrome. I go to canva.com. So you see a landing page. You see a landing page directly. You download Canva, or okay, you see a landing page. It says start your free pro trial and get free Canva free. So instead of you clicking on the free pro trial, click on the get free and quickly sign up. So because I have signed in before, I will just click on Google and I will click on my accounts, one of my accounts that is currently signing. So the next thing I would see is I would see a search icon at the top. Then I will see different icons on the second nav for you, social media, presentations, and blah, 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 blah. So the next thing is I will see a section of some of the things I can try. Then I will see another section of some of the designs I've done. Okay, let me show you something here. So I clicked on one of my past designs. Yeah, it will bring a prompt for me to enter the design. Yeah. So this is what I have. Mind you, I'm currently not having, I'm not using the mobile app. I'm doing it directly from my Chrome. Chrome is a browser. You can download a Chrome browser. Download a Chrome browser. Yeah, Chrome browser is best. It's suitable for this kind of thing in case you don't want to. So if you are here, let me know. So I will
Yes, sir.
do something. Yeah, okay, let me know. Thank you. So let me go back to my home to see what is there. I will toggle on home. Yeah, I'm home again. I took it back to home. Are we good? Okay. So I want to show you, okay, I think that's perfect. So you should be able to achieve two things. One is canva.com. You should be able to, if you are on Play Store, take you quickly to Play Store. Okay, are you there? Let me take you to Play Store. So this is Play Store. When you click here, you can search for Canva and it will bring it. Just click. So let me quickly update it so that you guys can see. So this is the second option. So I practice two things now. I use my browser and I download using the I download using Play Store. So if you are using Apple, if you are using iPhone, you know you will need to go to your iStore to search for it. I download Canva. I downloaded Canva on Play Store. So I will click on Open. On Play Store. So I'm in. So here you are, I'm currently using the free version. So like I said, the free version is enough for everything you guys want to do. And here you go, unlimited access to our entire library. You see, yeah, a lot of library. And we are not editing templates. So we don't need to care about it, either it is free or anything. We will create everything we need from the scratch. So premium time saving features like magic, you can resize, you can group, you can do some background remover and content planner, fine. So don't click on the start free trial, just cancel, click on the cancel. So these are some of the design I have right now. So let me do it again, or let me try and enter this one. See. So we did two things today. I used Canva, I used my browser, and I also downloaded Canva on Play Store. Any question about that? And hope you get the scope. Go to canva.com. So this is a template.
Excuse me, sir. Sorry to
cut
you
go
short.
on. No.
Yeah, so I've to download Canva, but I missed the next step because it's a bit confusing. The landing page you get on after asking you for the trial and all of that, it has a lot of options. At least mine has a lot. It's showing me set your content or canvas. So I don't know where we are now.
Okay, let me take it back to the home. Are you here right now?
Yes, I'm on home. I'm on the home page where it's showing you might want to try recent designs, learn and play.
Okay, fine. So you don't have any recent design except you are using Canva before. So for this session, we are not talking about how to design right away. I'm just showing you around on the app. So basically everything I'm doing, I will still redo it after and after again. So the action plan of this session is for you to be able to have account with Canva. You know, I'm not giving you any referral something or something. Maybe I'm trying to practice a referral. Just go to canva.com, either on your phone or on your computer. Sign up, just like you sign up on Facebook. You can use your Facebook to sign in. So once you sign in, you will see this home page. On the home page, we have for you, we have social media and presentation. These are just quick links to some of the things we are doing. So we also have, you might want to try section where you see different feed, like maybe you want to create a logo, you want to create a poster, or you want to create a Facebook post, you want to do a quick flyer portrait, you want to do a YouTube thumbnail, you want to do a phone wallpaper, invitation portrait, and all that. So these are the few things that we will teach you, and it will be easier for you to do. Canva is just as simple as anything you guys can do. But the best of it is for you to understand design thinking for the professional top notch.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
All right, my name is Kamal.
Good evening, sir.
I'm not sir.
Mr. Kamal, sorry, sir.
Not Mr. Kamal. Kamal.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah. All right. Thank
Yes,
you,
I have a
everyone.
question.
It's a privilege. Yeah. Okay. Please go on. Like the people asking this and that, I'm currently using my mobile phone. Like I said earlier, it is convenient for you to design on your personal computer than to use your mobile phone. But Canva is easy and simple to use to the extent that you can even design using your mobile. So it's because I'm unable to present my screen on the computer. That is why I use my cell phone to show you a few numbers of things. So any other question, please? Any other question? Yeah.
Good evening, sir.
Oh no,
Good evening.
Festa.
Yes, sir.
Kí ló máa ń ṣe àwọn
Yeah.
èèyàn?
Please go on.
This same
So
person, not
you
lóyún
said
bọ́
you're going
yesterday.
to we'll be taught how to use Canva without the template. And did I hear you right?
Yeah. Yeah, sure.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
100%.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Any other question, please?
Good evening, sir.
Yeah.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, it's yeah, good evening. Please go on.
Okay, this how often are we going to work on our project, and what's the deadline for submission?
The next class will be the deadline. You have immediately after the assignment or the project has been given, you have the next class. Don't worry, we are not going to bombard you with a lot of projects. It's just a simple task that you'll be doing, but you need to complete it before the next class. There will be
Yes,
a
sir.
link for submission.
Thank you, sir.
All right, I think my job is done tonight. If Zainab stay there or Memunat, yeah, please round up.
Hello, good
Yeah,
evening.
good evening.
Hello,
Hello,
good evening.
please go on.
Good evening.
Yeah, please go on. I'm with you.
Okay. Please, is this class recorded? But I came late. I came very, very late. So I want to know if it's recorded. So I'll go through it again later.
Yeah, as you can see on the top bar, it's recorded. You will get the recording. So, but your feedback is very, very essential. If you did not join a particular class and you watch the video tutorial, the Telegram group is meant for you to ask questions so that we can get you, yeah. Yeah, okay, thank you everyone. Our next class
good evening,
is
sir.
yeah, good evening.
Sorry. Please, I just want to ask, this program is for how long? As in, what's the duration of the program?
14 days.
I think, yeah, you people are not checking some of the information being sent to you via email. So it is just 14 days. I've been saying and saying 14 days. So it means we started today. So throughout next week. We already shared the timetable, so please kindly go to the Telegram group, check the pinned message. If you are not on the Telegram group, let me know.
I am there.
So please check the
And I
pinned
got it.
messages. We already put it there. It's a 2 week course. So the curriculum will be shared with every one of you via email. So there is no class tomorrow. So the proper class will start on Monday.
Monday, all right.
Yeah, Monday. So another thing that we will do is maybe we will start sending we will start sending reminder, or if I'm able to do the invite, then automatically you will be added to the meeting automatically. All right, we've passed the time. Have a wonderful evening, everyone, and thank you for joining. In case you have any question, kindly refer to the Telegram group. See you on Monday. If there is any information, I would definitely share on the Telegram group. And thank you, everyone, for your cooperation. Bye. Good night.
Thank you, sir.
Nice.
Thank you. Good night.
Thank you, Kamal. Good night.
Thank you, Kamal. Bye.
Good night.